Can the wind whisper secrets? Can time run away? In writing, yes. Welcome to the magical world of personification. Personification. Personification is a type of figurative language in which non-human objects, animals, or abstract ideas are described as having human qualities, such as emotions, actions, or intentions. Sun in the sky. The sun smiled at the earth. It can also be used to personify an abstract quality. Personification is one of many literary devices that enhance writing by making descriptions more engaging. Others include synecdoche, metaphor, and onomatopoeia. Personification is a figure of speech that is used to attribute human characteristics to something that is not human. Personification is attribute of human characteristics to non-human. Definition according to Oxford Learner's Dictionary. Personification, according to the Oxford Learner's Dictionary, is defined as the practice of representing objects, qualities, etc. as humans. In art and literature, an object, quality, etc. that is represented in this way. The Cambridge Dictionary defines personification as the act of giving a human quality or characteristic to something which is not human. Examples: a sun-kissed filter, roar of thunder. I felt like the food kept calling me. She sat down at the tired, overworked desk. Each flower had a distinct, vibrant face. The clock glared at me menacingly. Why use personification? When you personify an object, animal, or abstract concept, you make it feel more human. This helps readers connect with non-human elements in your writing on an emotional level. Writers use personification to help readers empathize with non-human elements, clarify relationships between humans and non-human forces, deepen emotional connection to human characters. Emphasize the non-human element's role in the story. Personification also brings writing to life. It adds flair and imagination to narrative and dramatic text through vivid, figurative language. Stories for kids often feature animals, objects, or imaginary creatures as main characters, making personification a natural fit. Personification is used by authors to add drama or interest or to engage their audience. Personification can also be used for humor. Writers use personification to create vivid imagery and emotional resonance in their work. Look around your room. What's one object you could bring to life with personification?